How to use two Telegram accounts in one phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use two Telegram account in one phone. Well, if you want to use two different Telegram account, first the process is simple. You want to simply go ahead and open up Telegram. Then you want to tap on the hamburger icon that you can see at the top left corner. So first you want to log into one of your accounts, right? Then you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner. And then here, what you want to do is you want to tap on the little arrow icon that you can see beside your number. So you can see your phone number there, you can tap on it there. Then you want to tap on add account option. Now you want to choose your country code and then enter in your phone number and tap on next and go ahead and log into the account. So this is how you can easily add two different accounts in your Telegram. Now once you do so, you can simply switch your account by tapping on the arrow icon there and switching in between your accounts. So this is how you can use. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.